जय जगन्नाथ समस्त को नमस्कार। आज ऐतिहासिक दिन को आपण मान समस्त को स्वागत करुचु। एबे आमे देखिबा गोटे छोटिया वीडियो आम बैंक उपरे।
राज्यर आर्थिक उन्नति रे बैंक एक उल्लेखनीय भूमिका ग्रहण करे। ओडिशार पाखापाखि 6800 ग्राम पंचायत रु 4300 रु अधिक पंचायत रे कोनोसी बैंक शाखा नथिला। एही अभाव को अनुभव करी ओडिशार समस्त ग्रामांचलर हाथ पांतारे बैंक सुविधा जोगाइबा पई माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री नवीन पटनायक नेइछंती एक जुगान्तकारी पदक्षेप। एही समस्त पंचायत रे 5T अवलंबन रे निरवच्छिन्न बैंकिंग सेवा प्रदान करिबा पई आम बैंक योजना अंतर्गत CSP प्लस शाखा आरंभ करा जाउछि। एही योजना रे सहभागिता करूछंती 6टी राष्ट्रायत्त बैंक। एही भली सेवा प्रदान करिबारे आम ओडिशा देशर प्रथम राज्य भाबरे कीर्तिमान स्थापन करिछि। साधारण बैंक रे उपलब्ध सुविधा भली आम बैंक रे मध्य समस्त सेवा और सरकारक प्रत्यक्ष लाभ हस्तांतरर सुविधा मिलिबो। प्रत्येक शाखा रे 2 जण करी बिजनेस करेस्पोंडेंट लिंक बैंक सह समन्वय रक्षा करी ग्राहक माननकु सेवा प्रदान करिवे। आम बैंक रे मिलिबाकु थिबा सुविधा गुड़िक हेला साधारण सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट, नगद और रेमिटेंस कारोबार, रेकरिंग और फिक्स डिपॉजिट, आधार आधारित प्रदान, पीपीएफ और सुकन्या योजना, भारत बिल पेमेंट व्यवस्था, चेक बुक, डेबिट कार्ड, पासबुक अपडेट, करेंट अकाउंट, एसएचजी लिंक एवं लोन भली सेवा सह वरिष्ठ नागरिक, गर्भवती महिला और दिव्यांग माननकु घर द्वार मुहरे बैंकिंग सेवा प्रदान करा जिबार सुबंदोबस्त करा जायछि। आज ओडिशा विकासर नायक मान्यवर मुख्यमंत्री 750टी आम बैंक योजना रे CSP प्लस शाखार शुभ लोकार्पण करी ओडिशार प्रत्येक पंचायत रे बैंक सुविधा सुनिश्चित करूछंती। आम बैंक आम सुविधा पेड़ी।
आम सुविधा पेड़ी।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। In this transformational journey, banks have been our huge partners. May I now request the MD and CEO UCO Bank, Shri Ashwini Kumar, to address, please.
Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable Minister of Finance, Government of Odisha, Shri Bikram Keshri Orkha ji, Shri Chief Secretary, Government of Odisha, Shri Jaina ji, Additional Chief Secretary cum Development Commissioner, Madam Anu Garg ji, Principal Secretary Finance, Government of Odisha, Shri Vishal Kumar Dev ji, Principal Secretary Panchayati Raj and Drinking Water, Shri Sushil Kumar Lohani ji, Regional Director RBI, respected Chairman State Bank of India Dinesh Kumar Khara ji, CGM State Bank of India Sharma ji, Director Institutional Finance Madam Dr. Sahu ji, other dignitaries of the dais, ladies and gentlemen, Jai Jagannath. It is my privilege and pleasure to be part of this inauguration ceremony of 754 AMO Bank CSP plus banking outlets in GPs without brick and mortar branch. This initiative is just a step forward. It is a giant leap towards empowering the vulnerable people of our societies, fostering economic growth of Odisha and paving way for a brighter future. The state of Odisha, with its rich cultural heritage and diverse communities, has long been a region where access to banking financial services faced significant barriers. Financial inclusion is still a critical challenge since banking penetration in the state is quite low. As on September, total banking network in Odisha is 55,867, but brick and mortar branches are 5,812 only, and there are 4,373 GPs which are without brick and mortar branches. Establishing a brick and mortar branch in every Gram Panchayat is a financially unviable due to substantial initial and ongoing cost. To bridge this gap, the CSP plus banking outlets acting as an intermediary between brick and mortar branches and fixed BC points were conceptualized by Government of Odisha Finance Department. Under this visionary scheme, the state government is facilitating banking space in all proposed GPs without brick and mortar branch, arranging essential utilities like electricity, internet and water. Moreover, the government covers the cost of fixed assets of CSP plus banking outlets and their recurring expenses for 3 years. These outlets will offer 15 types of banking services, including doorstep banking for all elderly, pregnant women, disabled individuals, with 2 BC appointed at each CSP plus points to ensure uninterrupted services. In this first phase, today, Honorable Chief Minister Sir will be inaugurating 754 CSP plus banking outlets, and in second phase, 2,003 identified GPs will be covered, and rest 1,616 GPs will be covered in last phase by the end of 23-24. My heartfelt gratitude goes to the Government of Odisha, particularly the Finance Department and all stakeholders, including Reserve Bank of India and 6 partnering banks, NABARD, District Administration and BDOs, and their unwavering support and guidance in making this initiative a reality. Before I conclude, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha for his visionary outlook and leadership in promoting financial inclusion, prosperity and a better future for all. It is through his dedicated effort that we gather here today, witnessing a pivotal moment that will positively impact the lives of thousands. Thank you. Vande Utkal Jarni. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.